Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys some of the drawing materials or sketch materials which I usually use in some of my drawing. Most of my drawings. So as you see in this kit, you get all the sketch materials to use in your drawings like charcoal pencil, graphite pencil, charcoal sticks, graphite stick, and much more are available in this bag. So in this video I'll be showing you guys what's inside this box one by one. So let's not waste our time and get back in this video. So as you see, I'm getting the canvas kind of feeling out here. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the zipper and see what we get inside. So the first stuff I see is the HB sketchbook. It's kinda looks cool. The paper is very smooth and good for sketching. Can't wait to try it out. Now let's take a look what else we have in this kit. So on the right hand side there's a kindred eraser HNB art changes life. Okay, then we have some what looks like charcoal sticks which is hard, medium and soft. So here we have a sandpaper board thing which I happen to use all the time for giving my charcoal pencil a nice point. Okay. Then I see some graphite sticks. There's three of them. This one says the hard one says hard. So I guess the other probably is medium and soft. Sure enough, that's medium. So the other one should be the soft. Then you have the white HNB eraser. Yeah. Then you get three blending strands. One is the large, medium sized, and you get a smaller one. So right here you have an extension which we use when your pencil gets a bit small. So that's just nice to have that in your kit. And over here you get a sharp cutter, basically used to sharpen your charcoal pencil or something else. Basically not used for me. I'm gonna keep it over here. So that's all in the right hand side. So let's go to the left hand side and check what we get over there. So you get three charcoal pencil. As you see, you have a hard, you have a medium, and you have a soft. So let's put it back in. That's hard. And then here is a soft graphite pencil. So you get one small graphite pencil. There you go. Okay, and then here we have the drawing pencil or sketching pencil, whatever you want to call them. and it goes from 5H to 8B. So here you have 5H, 4H, 3H, 2H, HB, B. You get two 2Bs, that's 3B. Again you get two 4Bs, that's 5B, 6B, 8B. So you get two 2Bs and two 4Bs. And then over here you get two basic sharpeners made of plastic. There's one and another one. So there's two in it, one for the smaller and one for the bigger. Yeah. So guys, that's the end of the video, and that's all the art materials which we get in this kit. As per my opinion, I kind of like it. The case is pretty well designed and the art supplies are very good, and it's affordable and it's useful for beginners as well for the professionals, and we get all the supplies in one kit for your drawings. So that's all in this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, have a nice day.